look at my classic lip art and see if you still dig it.
Hi, I'm Michty Max and I'm here to share this springtime lip art. In this tutorial, I go over these two lip looks, starting with a simple matte hot pink lip with a shimmery highlight, building up to this fun 3D pattern of different shaped rhinestones, giving a delightful fresh look. First I primed my lips with MAC Prep and Prime Lip Base. Then I whipped out the NYX Slim Lip Liner pencil in hot pink and gave myself a guideline for my lip shape. I overlined my top lip and created a rounder shape than usual. Next, to fill in my lips, I grabbed Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in Prom Night and smeared that all around inside the lines, and I also increased the top lip overline inch so I could have more room for fun later. This color is awesome and even more beautiful than I thought it would be. I made sure to add a second layer of the liquid lipstick so it is opaque and thoroughly pigmented. Now I have Benefit High Beam Liquid Highlighter, and I'm using my fingertip to apply it over the center of my lips for a base for the shimmery highlight. I usually use this for a cheek highlight, but I thought why the hell not try it on the lips. After I layered that up a few times, I picked up this Makeup Geek shadow called Whimsical, which is one of their new foiled eyeshadows. I applied the highly pigmented pink shadow with the Sigma E70 medium angled shading brush to cover the center of my lips. First I patted on the eyeshadow with the tip of the brush and made sure to stretch my lips so the pigment can get in between the lines of my lips. Then to get maximum pigmentation, I used my finger to lay down a solid color in the very middle, and I pressed my lips together and also rubbed the brush along the edge to blend it out softly into the hot pink. And to clean up the side, I went in with a bit more liquid lipstick and blended it with my finger. So that's the simple hot pink lip with a Kung Pao highlight that I think looks great. It's long wearing and still has the shine of a lip gloss in the center without the sticky mess. I wanted to experiment with the cheek highlighter from Benefit and the foiled eyeshadow and see how it played with the matte lipstick, and it worked out really well. But I had more desires to fulfill, thus I must forge on. Now I have these different shaped rhinestones from the Born Pretty store, and I made use of my eyelash glue and a toothpick to lay down dots in a pattern across my lips. From the varied assortment, I picked out these tiny purple flowers, some light pink butterflies, and a few pink elliptical rhinestones, and placed them over the dots of glue with some tweezers. I built up the pattern as I went along, playing with contrast and color placement to get this design that reminds me of a light and jolly spring day full of petals and possibilities, or at least pretty and girly looking. To add a deeper element of spring, I grabbed this wheel of elliptical rhinestones and chose the light green ones to stick either side of the purple flowers to give them some crystal leaves. I continued the design on my upper lip, modifying the placement to give it a random feel so it's not identical to the lower lip, and I decided to keep the lighter pink butterflies on the darker hot pink background so they stand out better, and I focused the deeper colored rhinestones over the central highlighted area. So there's my light-hearted and fancy-free spring-themed lip art with 3D elements and some pretty colors that play off each other nicely. The simple gradient look with the shimmery pink highlight is a beautiful lip on its own, and I really enjoyed wearing these products together. You can even just go in with the eyeshadow in the center and skip the cheek highlight, because as it turns out, this foiled Makeup Geek eyeshadow is pretty darn pigmented. This lip art looks as good in real life as it did in my head, and I was really happy with how it came out. The addition of the green shades really complements the purple and pink colors, and I enjoyed putting all these bits and pieces together to get this delightful look. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this lovely spring fling lip art tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Also check out my band and podcast on iTunes.